pretty well rust free. I mean, look at the battery tray, it's still there. It's an AC car. This is the 72 Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus. I see a guy right there. Maybe it's just me, right? It's pretty cool patina. This one's got full interior. Back seat's pretty nice. I just haven't finished wiping it off yet. That blue shag carpet. Has the electric windows option. Okay, so the 70 Duster. Doesn't have any hinges on it. So, let's see, there's no engine. But it still has the fender tag. Still has that tag, and I have the title for this one. Texas title. Roadrunner. There's no engine in it either. But it still has the fender tag. Still has that. No title for this one. Come with a bill of sale. But you can get the bonded title. Now, if that's a problem, then I can get the bonded title for you first. And then the Challenger. I said I do have the dash. I probably got another roof for it. And no engine in this one, of course, but still has the transmission. Still has the fender tag, which also has the VIN number on it. So, really not that big of a deal. Well, we finally got the Challenger cleaned up. Floors look really nice in this thing. Looks really nice. Not too bad at all, is it? Rockers are good. Hey, even inside the doors, everything. If it wasn't for that vinyl top, boy, it's Swiss cheese on top. But I do have another top for it. I think he's gonna sell me. So it'll have the top for it. So that's no problem. Okay, so we've been cleaning the Duster. Looks pretty good, I think. It's a pretty solid car. There's the boot, the shifter. Do what?
Shit the boat. I'm gonna pull it from the other side though.
Cleaning her up, got tires on her. She's looking a little better. We're still gonna vacuum a little more. She's really not that bad at all. Yeah, try to clean her up. What is this, trampoline? We're gonna clean it.
Hey, I had a question for you guys. I don't know, maybe I just ain't smart enough to figure out how, and then Sam Hickey. You better watch it, don't blow your ass away. Try to get this shit.
Well, hi guys, I'm here with Brock and Garrett today. We're gonna go pick up this Firebird. He's been wanting one for a while. These are my son's friends. A couple of good old boys. So let's go check out this little fire chicken he picked out. So it's not too bad. She needs a paint job. Let's see if we can't air the tires up right quick. Pretty complete interior. T-top car. Now, I think he's willing to sell everything, part anything out. A bunch of S10 trucks, some older Ford trucks, Rangers. There's a Focus. There's a Jeep something. Laredo. I think he'll sell cars as a whole. We might sell parts off of it. It's a 4x4 Dodge. It's Grand Cherokee. This is Durango. This Impala right here doesn't look bad at all. So, I mean, $800 probably wouldn't be bad. I think that's all he's asking for most complete vehicles. So we could probably get this Impala right here for 800 bucks. Don't know what's wrong with it, of course. Another Jeep. Got this old Mercury. However, it's Swiss cheese up here. The rest of the car looks fairly nice though. Still got the keys in there. I got another Ford LTD. Other than that top, that Mercury really ain't that bad. I got this 98 Mustang. The boys were also thinking about this one. It's real complete, still got the interior and everything in it. V6 car though. Definitely needs a paint job. The Chevy Cobalt. Yeah.
As long as that bead's good, don't make it shit.
Right. Cussing on camera. Okay, you get in it, turn the wheel.
Come again? Oh, okay.
Just stay straight. Good. We got it done. He's happy. You happy?
Very happy.
Back to the house.